Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning po.
Sino ba? So we are about to continue our discussion yesterday, wherein we begin. We talked yesterday all about your attitude in some certain situations. Iba positive, yung iba negative situations. But the question there is, how are you going to cope with those kind of situations? Kung negative yung situation, paano natin isi-set ang ating attitude? How are you going to set your mood? How are you going to set your attitude in terms of such kind of, negative situation? And also, as part of your assignment, I told you to construct, no, and to think what is your philosophy in life. Are you ready to share about your philosophy in life? When we say philosophy, it's about your belief. What do you believe in terms of life? Would like to share your philosophy. May I hear you, Brent? Do you have?
My philosophy is in life is God is always with me all the time.
Okay. Next. Who else? Who else? Wala na. Si Brent lang meron. What about you, Minx? What about you? What is your philosophy in life? Anyone? What about you, Jose? Do you have philosophy in life? Shervin?
Life is not all about success. It's all about experience.
Wow, very good. What about you, Irene?
Always think positive.
Correct. Who else? What about you, Yuen?
Sir, narinig sir,
Correct. Yes.
money is not worth than life.
Wow. Talaga ba, Yuen? Hindi, joke lang. If that is your philosophy, then that's good for you. What about you, MJ?
Sir,
What is your philosophy in life?
do not fear in failure, but rather fear not trying.
Wow. Correct. Tama naman. Huwag matakot kung mabibigo. Yeah? Mas matakot tayo kung hindi natin susubukan. It's a good philosophy. What about you, Paris? Paris?
Wait lang, sir.
Sige. Sinong mayroon na? Hana? Yeah. Sino pa? Evelyn? Shane? Lucille? Joy?
Meron na ako, sir.
Sige, Paris.
Overthinking kills happiness.
Hmm. Sobra kang mag-isip, no? Advance mag-isip nga. Nawawala yung kasiyahan. Laging negative minsan. Okay, tama. What about others? Wala tayong philosophy. Yes, Joy?
Do not lose hope.
Wow, napakasimple pero meaningful. Do not lose hope. Kumbaga habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Yan si Joy. Shin, Sander, Dwayne Sander. Sige. Yung iba mamaya, ha? Dapat meron na after this. Excuse me. Tutulan ako ng lamunan. Ito po. And philosophy is a system of principles for guidance in one's daily life. Ito yung mga pinaniniwalaan natin na nagsisilbing gabay kung paano natin haharapin ang buhay. So in that simple phrase, in that simple words, meron tayong pamantayan kung paano natin i-entertain yung mga negative or positive events sa ating buhay. Your philosophy is your point of view in life. It is a main force that guides your behavior towards an object or a person. So yung tanong nga natin kahapon, what is your philosophy in life? Yan. So that is the question. What is your philosophy of life? Ano yung paniniwala natin in terms of life? We in our day-to-day lives get busy without realizing what are the real values of life and the true meaning of life. Once in a while, you would have thought about this, haven't you? Haven't you? Yes or no? No response at all. Thank you. So what is exactly this all about? What is the purpose of human life on earth? And what is the meaning of life for you? That is the next question. What is life? Joy, what is life? How will you define life? Lucille? Lucille, do you hear me? What is life? Freeze na si Lucille. Dwayne Sander. Jose. Life is
Ano pa?
ano po? Life is means Dale, what about you? What is life for you? Samantha?
Life is the aspect of existence that processes, acts, reacts, evaluates, and evolves through growth.
Very informative. What about you, Aya? How do you look at life? Sabi ng iba, life is unfair. Aya, Erin, do you have any idea? Brent?
Life po,
Mhm.
um, Life is pain.
Okay. What about you, Jim? Nasa si Jim? Wala pala. Shin, nasa si Jim? Ayan.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Okay. Jim, what is life for you?
Buhay ng tao, sir.
Of course. Of course. So, tayo ay may iba-ibang pagtingin in terms of life. Life is precious. Life is a gift. Diba? Napakarami natin description in terms of life. Life is a challenge. Ayan. So as you can see on your screen, life is the way it really is a battle, not between good and bad, but between bad and worse, according to Joseph Brodsky. Ang buhay daw ay hindi laban sa pagitan ng mabuti at masama. Ito ay laban sa pagitan ng masama at pinakamasama. So how is it? Yes, we are human. Totoo yan. Nakakagawa tayo ng mga mali. Nakakagawa tayo ng mga pangit na hindi naman dapat natin ginagawa. But how can we control that bad and worse? Andiyan na yung good sa atin. Okay? Nasa inner natin yan. But how can we fought between bad and worse? So that's life. So marami tayong posible or pwedeng i-define sa salitang buhay. Well, if you go by the experts say, life doesn't have a meaning. We individually have meaning that we fit into our lives. So may kanya-kanya tayong pakahulugan sa salitang buhay. Our life can be the way we want to be. Ano bang gusto nating mangyari sa buhay natin? That is the philosophy of your life. The philosophy of life should be not only about us, hindi lang tungkol sa atin, but also about thinking for others. Hindi yung pagiging makasarili. Our philosophy must be selfless. Our intonations contain our philosophy of life. What each of us is constantly telling himself about things. Yung philosophy natin, yung mga pinaniniwalaan natin sa buhay, ay possible maka-apekto sa mga taong nakapaligid sa atin. And that is what we call domino effect. Yung ano yung vibes na meron tayo if we have a positive life, yung nasa paligid natin, magkakaroon din ng positive life. Yung nasa paligid nila, positive life din. Positive sa pagtingin sa buhay natin. That is domino. Domino effect, kung tawagin. Domino principle. The purpose of human life should be to live for others as well. Sabi nga sa kanta, walang taong nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos ng kapiling niya. Yan yung isa sa linya ng awitin. Life should be to live for others as well. Our families, our friends are the best relationships that we would ever get blessed with. Yan. Blessed ba kayo sa family nyo? Are you blessed with your family? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
That's good to hear. Are you blessed with your friends?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes.
Sir, isa hindi.
Ang haba ng yes ni
Sir.
Joy. Is yung isa hindi. But may isa pa hindi. Okay. Sige. Ay, bakit next? Yan. There are a lot of people in the world out there who are not even blessed with what you have. Instead of complaining with what you have, start appreciating, enjoying the little you have. Kahit yan ay maliit na bagay, be thankful, be blessed, magpasalamat, at thank you Lord, meron akong kaibigan kahit nag-iisa. You know what? It's better to have one friend than to have more fake friends. Do you agree? Na-agree ba tayo doon?
Yes po.
Mas okay daw na konti lang yung ating friends kaysa magkaroon ng napakaraming friend mga, you know, the word fake. Mga peke naman daw. Okay? So that's it. Start appreciating of what you have. Not everything about achieving and building. Hindi lahat ng bagay ay tungkol sa pagtatagumpay. Hindi tungkol sa pagbubuo. Sometimes it's just about loving yourself. Do you love yourself? Loving life. Expressing attitude and being thankful for every little thing that we have in life. Happiness is only when you are happy from inside and obviously not the materialistic needs. Hindi lahat ng pagkakataon sa buhay natin ay masaya tayo dahil meron tayong gadgets, meron tayong cellphone, meron tayong mga iba't ibang gamit, merong tablet, at kung ano-ano pa, na meron tayo bagong sapatos. It's not about that. It's about here. Actually, hindi nga natin dapat gamitin yung term na happiness. It should be joyfulness. Happy and joyful is very different sa isa't isa. They are different. When we say happy, that is parang ang babaw ng term. When we say joy, di ba joy? When we say we are joyful, parang dito, within this heart, no, andun yung nararamdamang kasiyahan. Philosophy of life, yes, philosophy of life can get complicated as you grow up. We humans are not born to solve the problems of the universe, but to find what we should do within the limits of our comprehension. Hindi tayo isinilang para resolbahin ang problema ng daigdig, ng mundo, pero andito tayo para humanap ng paraan kung paano natin ito ma-resolve. Kung paano natin mapagtatagumpayan ang iba't ibang challenges na ibinibigay ng buhay. The purpose of life is to live it. Live it. To experience to the utmost. Yan yung mga term natin. Utmost. To reach out eagerly and without fear. Yan, tulad ng philosophy ni Shervin. Without fear for newer and richer experience. Mas matakot tayo kung hindi natin susubukan. Gusto natin mag-swimming, hindi ka marunong, gusto mong matuto, pero ayaw mong subukan. Di ba? Gusto mong matutong magbisikleta, hindi ka marunong, pero hindi mo sinusubukan. Gusto mong maging top 1 sa klase, but you are not exerting effort. Di ba? Siya yun sa magandang philosophy in life. Dalai Lama aptly said, our prime purpose in this life is to help others. So friends, all you need to do is start living. Help your friends. Help your family and enjoy life. Huwag magmukmok dyan sa loob ng four corners ng kwarto nyo. Huwag magmukmok kasama ang mga gadgets nyo. Live a life. Talk with your parents. If you have siblings, talk with them. Makipaglaro ka sa kanila. Ano man board games ang pwedeng laruin yung magkakapatid. Hindi laging away. Appreciate each other. Appreciate every day. Every day is every morning actually is a blessing. Yan. May address pa. May natutunan ba doon? Meron akong ilang i-share sa inyo na ilang philosophy. 5 philosophies of life, sabi dito. Yan, una. Don't let someone become a priority in your life, when you are just an option for them. Positive or negative philosophy? Sinong nag-a-adapt nito? Is it a positive or negative philosophy? Don't let someone become a priority in your life when you are just an option for them. Sige nga, can I hear a reaction from this philosophy? O naintindihan ba itong philosophy nito? What can you say about this, Darrell? Lane Darrell.
Sir,
Anyone?
ano po?
What can you say about this philosophy? Is it good? Or
Wait lang, sir. Iisip muna ako.
sige, who is ready? Paki-push lang ng reaction button, raise your hand so that makita ko kung sino ka agad. Don't let someone become a priority in your life when you are just an option for them. Naka-off cam yung iba ha. Kayo rin. Ayoko nang paulit-ulit na sasabihin ko, turn on your camera and so and so. Kakasawa. Sama yan sa house rule natin. Wala. Another philosophy. Never cry for any relation in life, because for the one whom you cry does not deserve your tears, and the one who deserves nakahide na ba to? Never let you cry. Lalo na ito applicable to sa mag-boyfriend girlfriend. Pag nagkaroon ng breakup, yan yung may mga karelasyon. Aga nyo ha, ang aga nyo magkaroon yan. Another, not because they are not nice, but because you are nice. Ano ba yan? Bakit? Yan. Treat everyone with politeness, even those who are rude to you. Not because they are nice, but because you are nice. Itrato natin ang bawat isa na may paggalang. Yan, tinagalog ko. Kahit sila ay, they are rude, may masamang pag-uugali. Pag ginaya natin sila, wala na tayong pinagkaiba sa kanila. Pag mas maging tinapatan din natin ang pagiging masamang ugali, wala na tayong pinagkaiba sa kanila. Those who are rude, give them love. Siguro yun ang wala sa kanila. If they felt it, then baka malay mo, magbago yung kanilang pag-ugali. Another. Never search for your happiness in others, which will make you feel alone. Rather, search it in yourself. You will feel happy even if you left alone. And last, happiness always looks small when we hold it in our hands, but when we learn to share it, we realize how big and precious it is. Yung may kantang, give it away, and it will come back to you. Yung mga kasiyahang gusto mo sa'yo lang, hindi yan maganda. Okay. Yung ilan sa atin, may naisip ng principle ng kanilang buhay? Do you have already? O wala pa rin? What do you believe in? and how you develop your values. Paano ba i-develop yung ating mga katangian? Habang kayo nakasubaybay sa inyong LMS, values grow out of human interest and desires which results from your interactions with persons and reactions to situations. These values are important in your daily life for they give directions and meaning to your existence. They guide you as to what course of actions to pursue and lines of thought to take. Sinong suplado-suplada? Sinong masungit? Ni. Sinong generous? Walang generous. Sir, libre kita, milk tea. Balita ko, UN. Baka naman, si Sir Jason, laging nalilibre ng milk tea dyan. Ha? Hindi, joke lang. Pero pwede naman, UN. Ayan, sayang nga lang, after klase sana, diretso kayo sa milk dyan sa area A ba yan?
Ay, charap.
Di ba, Aya and company?
Kaya, di ako kasama.
Hindi ka naman talaga pwede. Ayan. Yung mga pinag-uugali natin, minsan nagsusungit sa parent. May mga ganyan. Sino masungit sa parent? Mababait sila. Wala. Very good. May mga ganun eh. Yung sumasagot sa parent, kala mo kapatid ka usap. Tinuturo mo si kuya mo Okay. They influence the way you perform your duties in the goods and services you prepare. But your values are not constant. Yung mga ugali natin, hindi yan, tawag yan, that is not constant. Nagbabago siya. Mahiyain ka noon, ngayon, medyo makapal-kapal na ang pagmo. Yan, nagbabago. Yung pagiging mahiyain, nagiging approachable ka na, yung pagiging mong masungit dati, okay ka na ngayon. Yung iba naman, dati buhalhal, kung tumawa ay kita na yung tonsil, ngayon hipid na kasi dalaga na, nagtatakip na ng bibig. Kumusta ka, Joy? Kumusta ang iyong pagtawa? Ganun pa rin ba? Walang pinagbago? Okay. No problem naman about that. Values are developed as part of your growing process. They are developed early in life. During your childhood, you already develop the values of family. Ano yung pinakang values na itinuturo sa inyo ng inyong magulang o ng inyong guardian na dapat ay hindi mo raw kalimutan? Sige nga. Ano yung madalas sabihin sa inyo? Yes, UN.
Matutong rumispeta.
Okay. What about you, Aya?
Parating thank you kapag may binigay sa akin.
Okay. So, naintindihan ko naman. Medyo ka lang, robot, It because of connection yata. Yes, you, Jose. Tumatawa si Jose. Ano yung values na pinakang laging itinuturo sa iyo ng parent mo? Wait ulit. Brent?
Maging mabait sa kapwa.
Okay. Hana?
Huwag makulit.
Joy?
Yung matulungan.
Lucille?
Gumalang at maging masunurin.
Shervin?
Sure, wag po masyado mag-tablet.
Gadgets? Jean?
Gadget.
Malang, sir.
Malang. Lane? Tarel?
Huwag sumagot.
Samantha?
Sumunod po sa mga utos.
Yuan?
Ano po yung question?
Ano yung madalas sa yung ituro ng iyong magulang? Yung pagpapahalagang dapat matutunan. Pag-uugali.
Sure, pag may kausap yung nanay ko sa cellphone, wag ko maingay.
Okay. Mix.
Matuto pong gumalang.
Dale.
Ako po, sir.
Yes.
Ano po, wag po magdabog.
Sige. Erin.
Sumunod, tsaka maging mapagmahal po.
Wow. What about Robin?
Gumamit ng po at opo.
Yan. MJ.
Kumalang sa nakakatanda, sir.
Okay. Samantha. Samantha?
Sir, tapos na po.
Ay, tapos ka na ba? Bakit nagbago yung aking screen? Hana? Tapos na rin?
Tapos na din.
Paris! Yan, si Paris, hindi pa yan.
Maging masunurin, sir.
Shin.
Maghugas sa plato.
Nga. Wag laging maghugas. Dwayne. Dwayne. Oh. Andiyan ka pa, Dwayne. Magparamdam ka. Dadasalan kita, magparamdam ka. Oh, balikan kita, Jose. Meron na, Jose? O ano tinuturo sa'yo ng mama mo, ng mami mo? Maging ano ka daw dapat? Batang?
Nasabi na po.
Kahit na nasabi na kung yun ang tinuturo lagi sa iyo ng parent nyo, yun talaga. Yan, maraming gustong ituro ang inyong mga magulang, ang inyong guardians. Maging mabait na bata, maging masunurin, maging masipag, ano pa, yan, maging magalang. At pag nakikita nilang hindi nyo nagagawa yun, anong karaniwan nilang reaksyon?
Sir,
Nagagalit.
meron pa isa.
Yes, ano yun?
Meron pa ako isa, sir.
Yes, Yuan.
Isipin muna yung gagawin ko.
Bakit
Isipin mo na yung mga gagawin ko. Kasi palagi na lang kapalpakan.
Pag nagkamali ka siguro, itigil mo muna. Ayan ano, pag may nakikita silang mali or hindi nyo nagagawa, syempre ang reaksyon niyan, nagagalit. Habang hawak ang hanger. Siguro na maliit-liit pa kayo, lagi kayong, medyo napapalo. Sino dito hindi pa napapalo? Wow. Napakabait ng inyong parents. Ano lang ginagawa nilang disiplina? Sa paraang vocal, pasalita. Yan. Pero parang mas masakit yung pakinggan yung salita nila eh. Ako ayaw ko ng words. Parang mas nasasaktan ako sa words. Okay lang pala, sige, paluin ako. Mamaya wala na yung sakit. Pero yung, I don't know, iba-iba tayo ng personality talaga. Kapag salita, tamad-tamad mo, bobo mo. Parang ang tagal sa akin mo, ang tagal makalimutan. No? Masyadong masakit. Tama, Sir Vin. Masyadong nasasaktan yung aking damdamin. Okay. Tulad nga ng sabi ko, iba-iba tayo ng personality. Values are also developed from your religion. Yan, yung mga, ano bang tawag natin sa mga leader natin? Pastor, ministro, ano pa? Pari, imam. Yun, iba-iba. So, yung mga leader natin, sila yung nagmo-mold sa atin kung paano natin isasabuhay yung mga katuruan ng ating lumikha. Ano pa? And then, sa school, you learn some values from the discussions and the disagreements you have with your friends and teachers. Katulad nito, may mga words na binibitawan ang teacher, ang inyong mga kaklase. Diba? Parang Ang nangyayari, ito based on my observation only, base lang sa mga nakikita, naririnig ko. Kapag ang environment natin ay, let's say, parang ang expression na ay pagmumura, yung PI, puta, bobo, ano pa yung mga bad words. Kahit hindi tayo isinilang sa ganong community, kapag ang lagi, araw-araw, naririnig natin, na-adapt na rin natin. Yung mga bagong salita ay nakukuha natin. Common yan. Common. Sabi nga, kapag ang isang bulok na kamatis ay isinama mo sa mga sariwang kamatis, lilipas ang ilang araw, magiging bulok na rin siya. Napakalaki ng epekto ng mga kaibigan, ng mga taong nasa paligid natin. Kung ano yung kung ano yung uri ng kapaligirang meron tayo, doon tayo namumold. Yun ang ating nakakasanayan. Kaya kung nakakalungkot lang, hindi ko naman nilalahat. May ilang mga students na nagkukwento galing public. Sabi nila, ang teacher daw doon ay mga nagmumura. O talaga, siyempre na. At marami na akong napapatunayan na ganoon nga. Pag tumadaan ako dyan sa may public school, naririnig ko ilang teacher. Nagmumura kasi nakukulitan sa mga students. No? Try ko kayang magmura dito. Anong magiging reaction nyo? Diba? Parang, ay, nagmumura ang teacher. Tapos, kalaunan mga 1 month lang, yung mga kayo, nagmumura na rin. O sinong may kasalanan? Siyempre ako, as your teacher. So, gano'n yung nagiging epekto. Kasi sabi nga, kung ano yung nasa kapaligiran natin, yun ang na-adapt natin. So, the values of educational advancement, discipline, respect for authority, and cooperation are developed and reflected in your behavior. Yan. Katulad, sayang nga lamang, hindi magiging physical ang scouting. So, isa yon sa mga nagmumold ng ating character, yung scouting. Each member of the family has different value profiles. Not two people have the same values because values are very personal. Yung mga pag-uugali natin, napaka-personal niyan. Wala yung iba, sabi nga natin, we are unique. Wala tayong katulad, wala tayong kapareho. Kung mabait si panganay, medyo masungit si pangalawa. Kung masungit si panganay, mabait naman yung pangalawa. Kung tamad si panganay, masipag naman si bunso. Tama ba, Bre? Sumbong kita kay Ray. Ayan. In other words, different people respond to the same values in different ways. The same persons may express a value in one manner at a specific stage in his, her life, and other way in another time of his life. Yan. Medyo malalim lang yung words dito sa inyong LMS, pero sa madaling sabi, tayo ay may kanya-kanyang pag-uugali, tayo ay may kanya-kanyang attitude. Yung iba, pag pinagsasabihan, nagme-make face. Alam niyo yun? Yung make face. Pinagsasabihan ng parent, habang nakatalikod si parent, sino gumagawa niya? Habang nagsasalita si parent, ginagawa, hindi kaya inabanggit kanina nagdadabog. Pag inutusan, pag pinagalitan, lagabog ang pintuan. Bah!